Hello you guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Well, today I titled the Christmas dinner and stuff, so my husband ordered some from Texas Roadhouse. Yeah, so yeah, something different. So we ordered dinner on Sunday, December the 28th, 2025. Texas Roadhouse. Show you guys what I got. Okay, you guys. I got the steak, the rolls with the butter, grilled onion, mashed potato and gravy, and sweet potato, loaded sweet potato. Yeah. Oh, and also they gave us some peanuts. That's different. Yep, that's so different. Okay, so I just want to show you guys what I'm having for dinner on Sunday. Okay. It's the baked potato. Here's the onion, the grilled onion. Put some on my steak. Also, they got the mushroom together. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, they got the mashed potato. Alright, want some? You guys can get that first bite. I don't know. No, I'm not gonna eat all this, you guys. Just ain't been having no appetite. Okay, there you guys go. With the mushroom, steak. Put some butter on it. That butter is really good, you guys. Alright, so let me get out of here, you guys. Just want to show you guys what I'm eating for dinner. Alright.